there is a question mark. Are the nurses shortage in India? Yes, there is a shortage of India in nurses in India in the government hospitals because they are not recruiting the nurses or any health workers on a regular basis. There is and if we follow the nurse patient ratio as per given by INC or SIO norms or any norm in India, then we are going to have a shortage of nurses. There is no shortage of nurses. As I said, we have seen the a video where the 36 jobs there are thousands of nurses coming up. That's a real situation. It happened before also in the central government hospitals like Saptarjang Hospital, RML Hospital. We have seen the same kind of crowd coming up for the post of nursing. Now, just to have a numbers, as everybody plays with a number, see 1998 there was 6.7 lakh nurses in India. 2016, that is around 18 years later, we have 17 lakh 91,285 nurses. This is the numbers given from INC. This article is whatever the data I am showing here. This is from INC itself, Indian Nursing Council. So we have now within 18 years of time, we have produced almost 11 lakh extra nurses. Are they getting job? That's a question. Now, if you say there is a shortage of nurses, there is shortage of nurses. As per the demand and surplus theory, if there is a need for nurses, there is shortage of nurses, the demand should be high. But that is not the case. The case is still the nurses in the private hospital are fighting for minimum wages. That is 2016 Government of India, Supreme Court has directed to form a committee and said to give a nurses minimum wages, that is 20,000 per month. There are many states, none of the state have implemented, and you are telling that nurses are doing best work and they are COVID warriors, and you are not paying them 20,000. And when the state comes out and says that they want a nurses to recruit on daily wages basis with so much of difference of salary, these are the things. If you say that nurses are the COVID warriors, nurses are the real heroes and unsung heroes, yeah, that they are unsung heroes because they are not getting due respect what they are going to supposed to get. I'll come to the whether we will have a shortage of nurses. I'll come to that point now. See, this is again a data from INC says that these are the courses ANM, GNM, and BSc. Leave about MSc. Now, because the GNM and BSc are called as staff nurses in India. In 2006, there were 298 institutions. In 2016, in 16 years, it became 1,927. GNM from 285 to 3,040. BSc, it became 30, only 30 to 1757. Now, see the total, if you take every GNM has only 50 students, it will become 1,52,000, and 50 students in each BSc school or college will have a 87,850. These in total will annually become 2,39,800 nurses per year. So, the nurses which we said we have 17 lakh, that's 18 lakh approximately if we consider, of nurses in 2016, and every year we are producing 2 lakh 2 lakh 30,000 some nurses. So in last 4 years, that is to 16 to 21, we have another 8 lakh of nurses. So 18 plus 8 is 26 lakh nurses we have in India right now. Then where is the shortage? Shortage is in the production or shortage in the recruitment. So please try to understand this. If there was a shortage of nurses in India, then why Indian Nursing Council has come up with a bridge course to how to bridge course for sending nurses to abroad. There's a bridge course they are planning to start. Number two, that Trained Nurses Association of India, one of the old institutes and nursing associations, is becoming agent to send nurses to the UK for abroad. And every day nurses have been sent to other countries. One side, you are increasing the number of the nurses every year. You are producing 2 lakh of nurses. Second, government is not recruiting the nurses in the government hospital, and they are increasing the number of the hospitals, and the new hospitals there, number of the beds are increasing, number of hospitals are increasing. Second, in private hospital, they don't get minimum 20,000 salary. In this type of situation, how the nurses who are working, whom you called as a COVID warriors, who are working and real heroes you call, why do they work then? A security guard who is working in a hospital himself is getting minimum wages 18,000. But when it comes to the nurses who is working private hospital, they are not getting even if to, tertiary main cities like Delhi and all, they are getting 20-25,000. But other cities, they are not getting even 5 or 6,000 rupees too. Now, what are the solutions? Let's not go into the problem of having payment. How to